Okay, here is how you create a Google Classroom website for the Center School District. So I have logged into sites.google.com and I have made sure that I am logged in under my SD63 account, and I am presented with this white page. And to create a new site, I just need to press on the rainbow plus button and it will create a brand new site for me. And it will look something like this. Don't freak out. This is the first time you're going to make this website, and it will look very plain and not like a website at all. It looks like a glorified PowerPoint. So the way it's going to work is you are going to set things up kind of how you would like it. Let's go over here into the corner where I have themes. And this is just kind of a basic structure that your website can have. Let's go with simple, and we can pick any color we like. I might choose to have a nice red background. You kind of see it in there. You can also choose to have other themes, so something like this if you would like. Again, you can change the colors to make it what makes you happy. We are going to start by getting our header set up. We can choose the size you want, if you want it to take up the whole page, if you want it to take part of the page, or a little bit of it. I'm just going to keep it as is to make this nice and simple. I can change the background image. Now, something I really like about Google Sites is that it can use any picture you would like. So we can upload our own pictures, or we can go from the gallery. You see they have lots of lovely, simple pictures that you can use for a background. I'm going to pick something nice and happy. Let's do this nice blue one here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, and this is good. So it's adjusting everything for readability. The Google Sites are very responsive and can make your pages work for any type of device and for accessibility needs in different children and clients. So I'm going to set up my website. I am going to design it. So this is my home page. So I'll just start with welcome. And then I get to choose how I want it laid out at the bottom. So I'm going to make it so I have this layout here. I'm going to click it and drag it. And this is kind of where I'm going to give my instructions on how to use the website. So I will say, welcome. Please click on Getting Started in the menu. I can add a picture, I can add whatever I want for the title text. We're going nice and easy, so pause. Now let's go make our first page. I'm going up to the top, I'm going to Pages, and right now I have everything coming off this main home page. I'm going to use my New Page button down here. I've just hovered over the plus, and I'm going to click on New Page, and I'm going to say that this is the classwork page. So it's following the theme. I don't have to set anything up. Everything is done for me. And then I can do my layout. So I already showed you how to do the pre-programmed layouts. Now I'm going to show you how to build things individually. I'm going to start with text boxes up here in the corner. Again, click and, oh, maybe just click. Click. And then I'm going to turn this into a heading. And say that all of this is for literacy. Then I'll take another text box. And in here, I can add links to anything that I want to use for literacy activities. So for example, my literacy activities in kindergarten are probably going to be a lot different than things, but I can use YouTube videos. I can use Lalilo, let's try that. I can link to services that my students are familiar with. And let's just do that. Thank you. And add those in here. I can also assign work. So for example, daily journal prompts. And I could have Monday, what is your favorite animal and why? Tuesday, How do plants grow in the dark? So I can fill this up with any kind of text that I would like. And I can make all of my work come on this one page. Now what I would recommend is finding a way that works for you, but you can do things like classwork for week 1. And then that way, every time you're adding to each week, because we don't know how long this is going to go on for, then we know that on week 1 we're focusing on this particular theme or this particular topic, and everything comes in under that. So I can have my literacy and numeracy all on the same page, focused on the week. And then by the end of this, everything just kind of falls under this classwork or this home tab.